There's a video going around right now with a very confident promise. Make passive income on day one with Claude. No subscribers, no audience, no face on camera. Just you and AI and money showing up while you sleep. And here's the uncomfortable part. Most of the method is actually real. The tools work, the workflow works. But it's wrapped around two things that will quietly wreck you if you don't see them coming. So I rebuilt the whole thing. Same engine, honest wiring. Let me show you the version that won't blow up in your face. First, let's kill the lie in the title. Day 1. Nothing about this pays on day 1. What you're actually building is an asset. A faceless channel where one good video keeps getting recommended for months and quietly does the selling for you. Build it once, it compounds. That's the real model. Anyone promising day one money is selling you something. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly what. Here's the part the original video gets right, then buries. The single biggest factor in whether a faceless channel works isn't your editing, your voice, or your thumbnail. It's the idea. A great idea with mediocre execution beats a perfect video about something nobody wants to watch. Every time. The original creator agrees. And then, right at that moment, points you at a paid tool that scores your ideas for virality and tells you which ones will pop. Hold that thought because you do not need it. You can build a better idea engine for $0 and you already have the only tool that matters open in another tab. Here's the free version. Go to YouTube and search your topic. Then filter for the last few months and sort by view count. You're hunting for outliers. Small channels with videos that massively outperformed their subscriber count. That's not luck. That's a format the algorithm is rewarding right now, with proof attached. Now, you bring in Claude. Paste in 5 or 6 of those outlier titles and ask it, what's the shared pattern here? The emotional trigger, the curiosity gap, the structure, and give me 10 new titles in the same shape for my topic, each with the specific reason it would make someone click. That's the whole tool. Real proof from real videos, plus Claude finding the pattern. No subscription, no made up score. Now you've got a title worth making. Time to build the actual video. And this is where Claude earns its keep. Open it and give it a real brief, not write me a script. Tell it, you're a world class YouTube writer. Write a 10-minute script on this title. Strong hook in the first 15 seconds. A pattern interrupt every 60 to 90 seconds. Talk to me like a friend, not a lecture. Keep it 100% factual and flag anything you're not sure is true so I can check it. That last line is the one nobody adds, and it's the most important. AI will write you a confident, beautiful script full of facts that are quietly wrong. On a faceless channel, your name might not be on it, but your channel is. Make Claude show its uncertainty so you can fact check before you publish, not after a comment section roasts you. Next, the voice. You've got options. The default AI voices, a cloned version of your own, or hiring a narrator. But hear this clearly. YouTube in 2026 is actively cracking down on fully automated, no human content. Your real voice, or a clone of it, isn't just nicer to listen to. It's insurance against getting your channel flagged as AI-slop and buried. The cheapest protection here is sounding like an actual human. Then editing, the step where most people quit. You've got two honest paths. AI video tools can generate footage from your script, but they're pricey, inconsistent, and they're exactly the kind of fully synthetic content the algorithm is hunting. Or you hand the script and voiceover to a real editor on Fiverr for around $10 to $20 and protect your single most valuable asset, not burning out in week 3. Outsourcing the part you hate is how the channel survives long enough to pay you. And the thumbnail uses the same two-step move. Ask Claude to design the concept, the image, the expression, the colors, the 3 or 4 words of text for a thumbnail engineered to get clicked. Then take that description into an image generator and produce it. Title and thumbnail are what actually earn the click. Treat them like half the job because they are. So, the channel's running. Now, how does it actually make money? In the original method, you grab an affiliate link for a digital brainwave audio product, the kind that promises to fix your focus with special sound frequencies, and you quietly funnel your viewers to it. And look, the affiliate mechanics are completely legitimate. You recommend something, someone buys, you earn a commission. That's real. The problem isn't affiliate marketing, it's what you point it at. If your whole engine runs on selling pseudoscience to people looking for help with focus or anxiety, you might make a little money and you'll torch the one thing that makes a channel last: trust. So here's the honest swap: only promote something you genuinely recommend to a friend, a tool you actually use, a book, a piece of software with real reviews, or skip affiliates entirely and build one small digital product of your own. You keep 100% and you control the quality. And let's do the math honestly, because the original video does a little dance around it. The fantasy is 10,000 views, 10 sales, $50 each, easy money. Reality: a brand new Faceless channel might get a few hundred views per video for weeks. Most early videos make nothing. The ones that work because you made 20 of them and learned what your audience clicks. This is a real business that compounds, not a slot machine. Now, the part these videos never include: where this actually breaks. 3 things. 1. The timeline. There is no day one money. Plan for 90 days of building before the algorithm trusts you enough to push a video. If you can't commit to that, don't start. 2. The AI-slop trap. Fully automated channels, AI script, AI voice, AI video, zero human, are getting flagged and demonetized right now. The human element isn't optional anymore. It's the moat. Your voice, your judgment, your fact checking. That's what keeps you on the right side of the line. And 3, the big one. Go back to that virality score tool the original video keeps recommending. Notice the pattern. Free method, 10 minutes of value, and then one paid tool casually dropped in the description and pinned comment. That's not an accident. That whole video is an affiliate funnel, and the product being sold is that tool. You were the customer the entire time. Once you can see that move, you'll see it in every Make Money with AI video, and you'll never get funneled again. So that's the honest rebuild: a free idea engine instead of a paid score, Claude doing the heavy lifting on scripts and thumbnails, your real voice as slop insurance, an offer you'd actually stand behind, and clear eyes about the 90 days it really takes. I packaged the whole thing into a free playbook. The 3 exact Claude prompts for idea research, scripts, and thumbnails, a checklist for vetting an offer you won't be ashamed of, and a realistic 90-day timeline. Comment the word honest and I'll send it straight to you. If you want to go deeper, the paid guides linked below take this further. And if this saved you from a method that would have quietly burned your reputation, subscribe here on YouTube and follow Hyperautomation Labs on Facebook. That's where I tear down the next viral money method before you waste a weekend on it. I'll see you in the next one.